Bollywood celebrities who donated money. Salman Khan. Bhaijan of Bollywood Salman Khan has taken responsibility of the daily expense of 25,000 daily wage workers. Akshay Kumar. This Bollywood star has donated a huge amount of 25 crores to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to fight against the deadly virus. Hrithik Roshan. The Greek god of Bollywood has already donated 20 lakhs to BMC workers to provide them masks. Kartik Aaryan. Bollywood heartthrob Kartik has donated 1 crore rupees to the Prime Minister's Care Fund and pledged everyone to donate. Vicky Kaushal. Young Bollywood actor has also donated 1 crore to PM Relief Fund and Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund. Varun Dhawan. The hit machine of Bollywood Varun Dhawan made a donation of 30 lakhs in PM's Relief Fund and 25 lakhs at Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund. Katrina Kaif. This beautiful Bollywood actress has come forward and donated an undisclosed amount to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Kareena Kapoor. Begum of Bollywood Kareena along with her husband Saif has donated an undisclosed amount to UNICEF, Give India and IAHV. Sara Ali Khan. New Gen Bollywood actress has also come forward to help the nation and donated an undisclosed amount. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka along with her husband has donated an undisclosed amount to 10 charitable organizations including India's PM Care Foundation. They have also donated a huge sum of money for the women in crisis at this time. Sonam Kapoor. The fashionista has also donated an undisclosed amount to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Rajkumar Rao. This fine actor has also donated undisclosed amount to PM's Relief Fund, CM's Relief Fund and Zomato's Feed India movement. Anushka Sharma. Anushka Sharma along with her husband Indian skipper Virat Kohli has donated an undisclosed amount to PM Cares Fund and Maharashtra CM Relief Fund. Kangana Ranaut. This Bollywood actress has also donated 25 lakhs rupees to PM Cares Fund. Diljit Dosanjh. Singer turned actor Diljit has donated a sum of 20 lakhs rupees to PM Care Fund and asked people to fight the virus with unity. Kriti Sanon. The actress has pledged everyone as much as they could and revealed that she has also donated to PM's Relief Fund. Badshah. The famous Bollywood rapper has donated 25 lakhs to Prime Minister Cares Foundation to help the needy people. Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa Shetty and her husband Raj Kundra has donated a sum of 21 lakhs to Prime Minister Cares Fund at this situation. Kapil Sharma. The comedian of Bollywood Kapil has donated 50 lakhs rupees to Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the nation. Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol, who is an MP, donated 50 lakhs rupees to MP LADS funds and asked people to help as much as they could. Hema Malini. The dream girl of Bollywood, who is also an MP, has donated a sum of 1 crore to MP LADS to fight the deadly virus. Nana Patekar. The talented Bollywood actor has also donated 50 lakhs rupees to PM Cares Fund to help the needy people. Lata Mangeshkar. The veteran Bollywood singer Lata Mangeshkar has donated 25 lakhs to Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Manish Malhotra. Manish Malhotra has donated an undisclosed amount to PM Relief Fund and Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund. Sabyasachi Mukherjee. The ace fashion designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee has donated 1 crore to PM's Relief Fund and 50 lakhs to West Bengal CM's Relief Fund. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.